If you're looking for the perfect wash day routine for hair growth, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have another wash day video, but this time it's going to be my wash day routine for hair growth. Also, before we start the video, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, my new friends that's joining the family. You guys have been definitely loving my videos and I love that so much. Thank you for joining the Daya fam. I truly appreciate it. If you want to see some short form content, you can follow me on my other social medias. I'm also on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, and sometimes I do post a little bit on Lemonade, even though I haven't posted there in a while. You can definitely catch me over there. And I also post YouTube shorts. So your girl is everywhere. You can find me every single where. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's hop right into it. So first things first, y'all already know I will never start my wash day without pre-pooing my hair. Pre-pooing is very, very important for my hair type and my hair texture because it helps minimize any tangles and unnecessary breakage before going into the shampoo process. So as always, you guys know I love to pre-poo my hair with flaxseed gel. So I did make a fresh new batch this morning. I have my girl right here. So I am gonna go in and just quickly detangle my hair with flaxseed gel. If you want to see the full tutorial on that and how I apply it to my hair, I will post that at the end of the video. Quick, easy DIY recipe that really just gets the job done. So we're gonna start off with the flaxseed gel. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do the back and then I'm gonna come back and do the front for you guys. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did the back of my head. Now it's time to do the front. I'm gonna work in smaller sections because my hair is a little bit more tangled than usual because I did mini twist and then I took out my mini twist and then I was just rocking my hair out, putting it in a high puff, and I did a slick back. So yeah, my hair is a little bit tangled than usual, but we'll get through it. That's why I'm using flaxseed gel because flaxseed gel always gets the job done. Okay, so first thing that I like to do is spray my hair with a little bit of water first. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with our flaxseed gel. I finger detangle first. And I also like to focus on my ends with the flaxseed gel. In the front of my head too. Alright, and after I finger detangle and my fingers can glide through like that, I like to go in with my wide tooth comb. This is the wide tooth comb that I use. Just gently pass the comb through my hair. And after the comb can go through like this, then I follow through with my detangling brush just to make sure that my hair is properly detangled. This is not my favorite detangling brush, but in my opinion, it's better for my hair texture than the Tangle Teaser. So we'll be using this until I create my own. All right, and just like that, hair is detangled. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this up. Just like that. And then we're just gonna repeat these same steps. Water, flaxseed gel, finger detangle, comb, and then detangling a brush. And then twist. All right, y'all, so I am back. Had to make myself some breakfast because I'm starving. Okay, now it's time to shampoo. So I am going to be going in with a clarifying shampoo this wash day along with a hydrating shampoo. And typically I usually go in with just cleansing and moisturizing shampoos, but today I decided that I do need to clarify my hair because my hair is really dirty. It has some buildup and we just need a clean scalp and some clean strands. So I am going to be going in with the Miche Beauty Detox Shampoo, actually one of my favorite detox shampoos on the market, along with the Hairsdeiya Coco Cream Curl Quenching Shampoo. So those are the two shampoos that we're going to go in with today. So let's go ahead and start cleansing. Also, key tip, I realized that in order to retain moisture in your hair, especially if you're not like shampooing your hair in the shower and you're shampooing your hair outside the shower and you want to just retain some sort of moisture, I would definitely recommend just wrapping your hair up in like a little bun like this with a satin scrunchie and tying your hair up with a microfiber towel, because that way your hair still stays a little bit wet and the moisture is not lost. So my hair still feels wet and it's not dry. I'm actually still trying to figure out my schedule with using a clarifying shampoo because I don't know if I should clarify my hair every 3 months. I'm just still learning a schedule when it comes to detoxing my hair. So right now I just do it when I feel like I need it. And of course, one of the many things that I love about shampoos is the nozzle tip because it makes it easy to apply to my scalp, especially when it comes to like detox and clarifying shampoos. I think it's just really important to have a nozzle tip because you really just want to remove that buildup from the scalp. Ooh, and the instant lather. And I also really love the smell of this product. It has a nice fragrance to it. We're just gonna bring the product down to our strands. And I know a lot of people do shampoo and twist. I am just not one of those people. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go wash this shampoo out and then we're gonna go in with our hydrating shampoo. Okay guys, so I washed the hydrating shampoo out. It is time to deep condition, which is the last step in the wash day process. So I am going to be going in with my favorite deep conditioner. It's the Beautynest Bring Me Back to Life Moisture Repairing Hair Mask. Deep conditioning is very important. I don't care what nobody says, you need to be deep conditioning every single wash day. It helps with moisture, it helps with nourishment, softness, elasticity, all of the above. Deep conditioning is very important. So make sure you find a deep conditioner that works for you. Again, protein and a moisture deep conditioners are two separate things. But we'll be going in with a moisturizing deep conditioner this wash day. And I am going to use some gloves only because I think my pinky nail broke during the shampoo process. So I really don't want any snagging. That snagging feeling is not good. This deep conditioner literally melts right into my strands. Y'all, look at how this thing is just melting right into my strands. I know last week I tried the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask and my hair did not like it at all. But this mask, it's the best. Just gonna spray a little bit more water. Oh, this mask is so luscious. And then I'm gonna go in with my detangling brush from Unbrush. And then we're just gonna twist this up. Y'all, look how juicy this twist is. Let me zoom y'all in. Juicy. Alright guys, so I just finished deep conditioning. I'm going to let my deep conditioner sit for 30 minutes, but I wanted to show you guys, as always, my shed hair from each process. I showed you guys the pre-poo shed hair, so this is the deep conditioning shed hair. Not as much as the pre-poo, but again, I did have mini twist in, and I did leave my hair up, put my hair in the slick back, and I didn't really detangle my hair after that. So I basically didn't detangle my hair for 1 week, if we're being honest. And then I'll come back to you guys when I wash this all out. All right, guys, so deep conditioner is all washed out. Now it's time to style my hair. So we are not gonna be doing like a braid out, a twist out, a wash and go. I am going to be heatlessly stretching my hair. As you guys know, I'm on like a little break from heat. I'm supposed to be on a 5-month break from heat, but I might have to blow out my hair next week because I am traveling. And after this wash day, it made me realize how much I need to trim my ends. So that little challenge might be broken next week. Let's see. So with that being said, I would typically do like the African threading method, but I'm gonna twist it a little bit and heatlessly stretch my hair with scrunchies. So I do have a bunch of scrunchies right here that I am gonna use to just basically band my hair with. And for the products that I am gonna be using today, all 3 of these products are from Camille Rose. 2 of them are from their new collection that they recently dropped. We have the Camille Rose Guava Slip leave-in conditioner along with their Guava Slip Whip Souffle Styler. If you guys want to see the review on both of these products and basically on the whole collection, I can also put that at the end of the video. But overall, I do love both of these products together. And of course, to seal in my hair with some oil, I'm gonna go in with the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Strengthening Serum Oil. I do want to keep it really simple and just use all of my styling products from the same brand. This is my first time actually banding my hair with scrunchies. I've never done it before. I've done it with African thread, but to band my hair with scrunchies is something totally different. I don't think it's going to be bad, but I just hope that it comes out good, which it should. I'm gonna do big sections. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm not even going to like properly part my hair because I feel like it's not needed. I'm just gonna part the back of my head as straight as possible with my fingers. Okay, so this would be 2 sections. All right, so this is a section right here. This should be fine. I'm gonna go in with their leave-in conditioner first. Just gonna shake it up a little bit. Has a nice tropical fragrance smell. That's not too overpowering. Then we're gonna go in with the Whip Souffle Styler. I'm just gonna apply some on my ends. Okay, and then I'm just going to just detangle my hair one more time. Right, and then I'm gonna go in with the oil. I haven't used this oil in so long. This oil also smells like Play-Doh, just like the Eden Body Works hair mask. I'm gonna put some oil on my ends. All right, so let's start banding our hair. I'm really hoping that this works. This should work because it's just like African threading. Okay. I mean, it's just like African threading, but just with scrunchies. So this is how the first one is looking. I like tucked in my ends a little bit into the scrunchie, so this is how it's looking. So we're basically gonna repeat the same steps. Good morning, friends. It's the next day and it's time to take out my hair. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna put no oil on my fingers to take it down because I just feel like that doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna start with this back one right here. I feel like my hair is gonna be a little bit on the curly side, but still stretched. Hair is very much soft. My hair looks curly, almost like a wash and go. All right, y'all, so all the scrunchies are out and this is how my hair is looking. I think the scrunchies did a good job at stretching my hair for the most part. I just don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair now, but I don't know, the way my hair looks, it kind of reminds me of like a fluffy wash and go. I'm glad that this was able to stretch my hair out. My hair is still very much soft and hydrated. Now the real question is, will I stretch my hair with these scrunchies like this again? I don't know. I just don't know if I want to put my hair up really quickly and maybe like a little loose little bun. Y'all, look at all the scrunchies that I use. I use all of these scrunchies, it's crazy. But I end up putting my hair in this cute little bun. I'm about to start my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!